how's your experience been for these 6 months?
Solid. I mean, no complaints whatsoever, mate.
What's been working well for you?
Honestly, everything. I mean, results, support. James? Yeah, great to work with.
How have things been performing for you for like these last 6 months or so?
Over the last 6 months, talking about 9,700 so far.
Before this, had you done any trading yourself, or is this completely like new ground for you, new territory?
I mean, sort of dabbled in it. I dabbled in some day trading like years ago, but I lost money pretty consistently.
Yeah, that's not great. It's okay. So you're with us now. Super stoked to talk with you today. I guess let's just dive in.
All right, let's go for it.
Cool. So uh, so what's shaking? What's new? What's going on with you?
Yeah, I'm having a good time at the moment. Recently just got back home. Girlfriend, we just had a good night out, drinks, that sort of thing.
Dig it, dig it, dig it. So you're doing better than me, is what you're saying. I've been glued to the computer all freaking day. So let me think. How long's it been since you joined us? About 6 months since you've joined us, I think. How's your experience been for these 6 months?
Honestly, solid. I mean, no complaints whatsoever, mate.
Awesome, awesome. So no complaints at all. That's good. Nothing. So what's been working well for you? What's been going? What are these things that lend to no complaints?
Honestly, everything. I mean, results, support. James? Yeah, great to work with.
James, yeah, man, James is fantastic. I love him and Anthony, all of our team. They're just great gentlemen. So let's real quick. Let's talk some numbers. How have things been performing for you for like these last 6 months or so?
Over the last 6 months, I'm talking about 9,700 so far.
Okay, all right, 9,700 in 6 months. That's pretty strong performance. How does it feel? Like, how do you feel as a person? You know?
Honestly, pretty good. I mean, it's better than I expected going into it, to be honest.
Okay, that's fair. I'm curious. I wonder what you did expect, and also how'd you find us? Like, what brought you to EA Automatic in the first place?
Well, it was actually my mate Marcus. He actually recommended you guys, and he's been using the system for a while, and actually kept talking about the results he was getting.
Do you know what? Word of mouth is my favorite form of advertising. Nothing,
It's free,
nothing
isn't it?
stronger. So that's always the best kind of marketing. What did Marcus tell you specifically that made you interested? May I ask?
What did he say? Well, he said it wasn't like other trading systems that he tried before. He was more intelligent, is what he referred to it as more intelligent.
Well, I'd say that's accurate. More intelligent. So I like that description. Did he explain like what he meant by that? That it's like a learning system, like
Oh, it was something about actually understanding why big traders make their moves instead of just copying them blindly.
dude, exact. That is it. That is exactly it.
Yeah.
That's a huge part of our approach. So many people just basically they're copying what other people do, and then they wonder why they're a step behind all the time. So after 6 months of seeing EA Automatic in action, you understand what Marcus meant now.
Definitely. I mean, the trades feel strategic and not just random. Um, that's all I can say, really. I mean, I'm no trader myself.
That's fair. That's fair. Strategic is a perfect word for it. That's exactly it. Wait. So before this, had you done any trading yourself, or is this completely like new ground for you, new territory?
I mean, sort of dabbled in it. I dabbled in some day trading like years ago, but I lost money pretty consistently.
Yeah, that's not great. The day trading grind. So did you figure out what was actually going wrong there, or
Yeah, I mean, I was just following tips from, online forums and just trying to time the market with absolutely no strategy whatsoever.
I have seen that far too often. That is a classic retail trading mistake, my friend. But it's okay. It's okay. So you're with us now. So when Marcus told you about our system, um, were you a little concerned about jumping back into trading after you've already been burned once?
A little, honestly, yeah, a little. But Marcus has been doing well for months, so I mean, it's hard to argue against results.
Yeah, yeah. Money. I like to say money talks. It's
Mhm.
hard to trust. If you see a proven track record of performance. So, what was your first impression? You said you're working with James. What was your
Yeah.
first impression of James, of working with him?
Yeah, he's very professional. He took a lot of time to explain how everything worked. He answered any questions I had. Yeah, he was useful.
Yeah, that's James in a nutshell. Very useful guy.
Mm.
How often do you guys chat? How often do you connect with him?
Once a week.
Okay.
Sometimes more. Like if the market conditions are unusual, usually a little bit more.
Okay. And what do you guys like normally talk about? What are your conversations like typically about?
Be anything. Market outlook, how
Uh-huh.
the system's adapting, and any concerns I might have. But he's really good at explaining the bigger picture.
Education. It's such a huge part of what we believe in and what we do here at EA Automatic. So back to the money.
Yep.
9,700 in 6 months. Has that changed how you think about your finances or how you do your budgeting or your day to day? What's that changed for you?
Yeah, I mean, it's given me more confidence in alternative investments. Yeah, for sure.
Can you elaborate? Let me like how so?
Uh, well, I mean, before this, I would call myself kind of conservative. Just savings accounts and maybe some mutual funds. So your software, it showed me there's smarter ways to grow money.
Yeah, I can't argue with that. Expanding your investment horizon, if you will. What about have you? So Marcus shared EA Automatic with you. Have you shared EA Automatic with anybody else, or and have you told anyone else about your experience with us? Like, how's that? Have you done that?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, like my girlfriend knows, and I have mentioned it to a couple other guys.
Right on. Did they buy in? What's their reaction? What's going on?
Yeah, it's mixed. I mean, some are curious, and others think it sounds a little bit risky.
Yeah, that's a common thing. There's a it's a classic like risk perception divide, if you will.
Mm.
Um, so what do you tell the skeptical ones? You just show them your returns, or do you tell them,
Yeah, I mean, I show them numbers and explain the institutional analysis approach. Some get it, some don't. It's fine.
that's yeah, fair enough, fair enough. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. Um, looking back over these last 6 months, is there any point where you had like doubts about the system? The market is volatile, and anything, any doubts?
Not really. I mean, I mean, personally, I think it's way better than my past trading experience. So, I mean, I'm quite content with the system.
Well, for one, you've been making money with the A Automatic versus the others, so
Hmm.
I get that. So, what are your plans moving forward? Are you going to scale up? Are you staying the course? Are you going to pull everything out and just disappear on a vacation for a year? What are you doing?
So, I'm thinking I'm actually going to increase my allocation because so far the consistency has actually been quite impressive.
Well, that's yeah, that's I'm for it. Conservative growth, 100%. Let me check the time. All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one quick final question for you. If Marcus came to you today asking what you thought about EA Automatic, what would you tell back to Marcus?
I'd say to him, mate, absolutely right. Honestly, best investment recommendation he's ever given me.
Great, great. Well, I absolutely love to hear that. And was it 9,700 pounds or was it dollars? Yeah, it was it pounds. Okay.
Depends,
Okay, cool. Sorry, American. Apologize. Very American centric. I apologize. I apologize. I do understand metric. I promise.
yeah.
Anyways, yeah, I'd say Marcus kind of earned the friend of the year award for you, didn't he?
Yeah, I owe him a drink at this point.
That's fair. Drinks and some dinner, maybe. Yeah, that's more than. Anyways, this has been great. I appreciate talking to you, Damian. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and congrats on being with us 6 months and all your profits.
Cheers, mate.
All right, take care now.